Our story begins in the late 19th century with three innovative brothers, Frederick, Richard, and Otto Kampfer. In their small factory in Brooklyn, New York, they introduced the world to the first safety razor, a remarkable invention that featured a disposable blade. This new design made shaving safer and substantially more convenient, marking a significant milestone in the history of personal grooming. However, the game truly changed with the entrance of the visionary King Camp Gillette. Born in 1855, this inventor and entrepreneur had a burning passion for innovation. Following the devastating Chicago fire of 1871, which left his family in dire straits, Gillette found himself working as a traveling salesman. It was during this period that he conceived two groundbreaking ideas: an improved safety razor with the edge of the blade exposed, and a fresh business model. In 1901, Gillette unveiled his masterpiece to the world, the first disposable razor with a double-edged blade. This razor was not only efficient, but also affordable, making it accessible to people from all walks of life. Gillette's invention revolutionized the shaving industry, setting a new standard for convenience and affordability. But the evolution of the disposable razor didn't stop there. Enter William Nickerson and William Painter, two individuals who played equally crucial roles in this story. Nickerson with his patented method for producing thin, inexpensive blades, and Painter with his innovative crown cork bottle cap, both contributed significantly to the development of modern shaving technology. The invention of the disposable razor is a testament to human ingenuity and creativity. It's a story of how the pioneering efforts of a few individuals have simplified and made affordable a daily routine for millions around the globe. So, next time you reach for your disposable razor, remember the remarkable journey it has taken to get to your bathroom cabinet. From the Kampfer brothers' safety razor to Gillette's double-edged marvel, each step in this evolution has been driven by innovation and progress. If you found this journey through the history of the disposable razor fascinating, do like and subscribe for more inspiring stories and historical insights. Your support enables us to continue unveiling captivating tales of human inventiveness.